Topsy Turvy, written by Rohini Neelakani. I do not know why I woke up so early today, but soon I saw that it was a strange new day. Nothing at all was as it really should be. And I could hear someone shouting loudly at me. Our God had climbed right up the wall. And my little clock had grown very tall. Our umbrella was twirling madly round and round. And my red and blue cap was making a clicking sound. What on earth has happened to our little room? I fear I am going to faint very soon. The fan has turned into a big octopus. And my sister's doll is eating lentils and rice without a fuss. Our cat is sitting up in Dad's chair. And look, a mouse is reading the news on the air. In the mirror, look, I am 7 feet high. I know I am going to loudly cry. But now look, here comes a magic man. Sorry, he says. I will do what I can. Yes, it was I who made this little mess. It was not so nice of me, I do confess. So Abra-ca-dabra, chin chin choo. Room, get back in order, 132.